Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Tomboy Beauty. I'm Amy Harber. There's all the social media places that you can find me. This is another throwback because, hey, all my videos are throwbacks lately because I have a gazillion boxes that I didn't unbox for almost a year. So this is the June 2017 Allure beauty box, and as you can see, it is loaded with tons of summery stuff, which is cool because it's starting to get warm here again in Chicago. Like, we got a little taste of spring this week. So let's get into these fun little products and see what I missed out on back in June. So hey gang, we're once again the Allure June 2017 box. The theme is Glow Getters, and here's what I love about Allure. You have a little booklet that tells you about all the products. By the way, this is Zoe Kravitz on the cover here. So the first product is Deco Miami Nail Lacquer. It comes in a cute little box. It's vegan, cruelty-free, supposed to be all kinds of awesome. It's like a little Art Deco bottle. Now, if you don't know this about me, I love the Miami Dolphins. So this is right up my alley because it's actually like a Miami Dolphins kind of corally orange. So that is exciting. And I'm actually going to take this box and cut off the Miami part and put it on my vision board because, hey, I definitely need to go to Miami and I definitely need to see a Dolphins game in person at home. Next is the John Frieda Frizz Ease Careflex Flexible Hairspray. Yes, I have straight hair. I don't curl it a lot. I don't heat treat it a lot. But what I do have is flyaways, and that's what is great about hairspray, is that it can make my hair even smoother. Then we have the Yves Saint Laurent Touche Eclat Bleu Primer. I hope my French, I've been like studying French on Rosetta Stone, so hopefully that wasn't too bad. It's a gold flecked primer, so it's smooth it on before foundation, and it's supposed to fill the fine lines and all that stuff, so I'm excited to try that. If I can even get the bottle open, jeez, look at that. So it's not like a drippy. Basically put it on those fine lines there. Don't use it as like an all-over primer. Probably just use it there and on the 11s. And we have Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Booster Serum, which that's a mouthful. So put that on at night, let it sink in. Serums are great. I just love them so much. They're like one of my favorite products now. Then we have, and this is fun because I'll probably put it on my face for too long and I'll look like I could be related to the Cheeto in charge, otherwise known as Deltro. So, it's a self-tan express bronzing facial sheet mask. And it says 5 minutes light, 10 minutes medium, 15 minutes dark. So, basically, you're supposed to put it on, and it makes your face look tan, which I might have to do, and then everybody will be like, where'd you go? And then I'll make up some weird story about how, like, I just hopped a flight and went to wherever, yeah, and then people will believe me, and it'll be absolute bullshit. This is what happens when you read Chelsea Handler's one book about, you know, all the bullshit stories she used to tell. Then finally, we have the Tata Harper Resurfacing Facial Mask, which I believe I've tried it before. It's like a very jelly type mask, and it works on the most sensitive of skin too. I love it, and it smells great. So, oh, actually, I have one of their exfoliating masks. So this one is more of a resurfacing, and it's like a jelly, but I'm excited to try it too. So those are the items in the box. Here's where to find me. please follow me on Instagram and Twitter and subscribe to my YouTube because that'd be really cool too. And I will see you next time. Bye bye.